I'm interested in some information on how I would go about taking care of a neighbor's tree that is hanging over my house dangerously. And is that something that I need to start through a lawyer, or should I start by notifying them?
Have you had any damage yet, or you're just concerned that you
Not
might
yet,
have?
but I'm trying to prevent it.
I understand that. I do. And you know, that's a question that a lot of people might ask, something similar. I don't think we've had a question about that before. Blake, what's your thoughts?
I remember that question almost exactly, I believe, from a few years ago.
Really?
And we have had a caller ask that before. Sometimes we can get kind of mired in the details of a legal claim and what we should do, this, that, and the other. Sometimes simply going and talking to your neighbor can get the issue resolved. And no legal action is needed, no insurance claim is needed. So it sounds like you may not have done that in this situation, but you've got a tree that's growing on the neighbor's property. It's coming onto your property, into your space. And so in that case, you could have a claim or a case there that is interfering with your use, your enjoyment of your property, possibly trespassing onto your property. But I would start by talking with the neighbor, seeing if they would trim the limbs. And then if they don't, then you can talk with an attorney. But in a case like that, the amount of damages most likely are not going to warrant some type of big and involved lawsuit. So trying to work it out amicably with your neighbor is probably the best idea.